Hi, I'm Jack with Gemplers product team, and in today's video we're going to be talking about our Gemplers Telescopic Long Reach Pruner, its benefits, and how to avoid jamming. First, I want to talk about some of the key benefits of the Telescopic Long Reach Pruner. It extends up to 10 feet tall. If you don't have a ladder and need to get some pruning done in the upper reaches of a small tree or tall shrubs, this is ideal. It has extremely sharp, durable blades for making an accurate cut, and a nice pistol grip handle, which an awful lot of people like the feel of. So when you receive your Gemplers Telescopic Long Reach Pruner, there will be some adjustments that you can and should make. First is with the pruner head itself. There is a small adjustment screw here which allows you to move the head. Second, in order to make the pruner actually work, it needs to be locked into place in one of the holes, either from nearly its 6-foot long position all the way up to its 10-foot position, but it needs to be clicked into place in order to work. And then finally, the handle does have a locking mechanism on it. If you're a right-hander, this is perfect for just using your thumb, but it needs to be unlocked in order for the blade to activate. And then you can see that the blade, or the curved blade, actually does open up once the handle's unlocked. A common question we've had here at Gemplers when a customer receives the telescopic pruner is that it appears that it's not working. Even though they've unlocked the handle, the blade itself isn't moving, and it's because the telescopic portion needs to be clicked into place on the telescopic wand itself. So you can see here that it's actually clicked into place. Here it's not. If it's not, the blade won't move. Once it's clicked into place, then the blade will move once the handle is activated. This is a great pruner for any time you're working at height. It has so many adjustments between the pruner blade itself, this hook for keeping branches out of the way, even the sliding handle. You'll be able to adjust this up and down depending on where it's most comfortable for you. If you have any questions about our pruners or any of our other Gemplers products, please reach out to our customer service team.